Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is PowerPoint file open in MS Word. In this video, we will learn how can we open PowerPoint file in Word. So here I have a presentation that we have to open in MS Word. So for that, go to the File tab, then click on Export. Now click on Create Handouts. Now click on it. Send to Microsoft Word. Page layout in Microsoft Word. That's how you want page layout. Select from here what you want. I think black lines next to slide. Then click on OK. Now it's loading. Now here you can see that in it our first slide, second slide in blank lines. You can see the slides. So that's way we can open PowerPoint file in Word. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.